Hello, welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom, and today I want to show you something about these copper shelf pans. Now somebody was talking bad about my beloved copper shelf pans the other day, you know, and you've seen I've had this one for a while. I hope you can see that, yeah. So, and this one here is my newest one, and you can tell that one's been around the block a time or two. Okay, so both these here are over 3 years old, the square ones, and the round ones is over 2 years old. And so we're fixing to make breakfast in them. I'm going to see if I can find out what people's complaining about. I know one thing, if one of mine goes bad, and they are because they're getting old, but I'll have to replace them when they go bad because they're pretty good pans to me. Okay, now I've got my bacon going here. Now you can see I got 6 pieces of bacon in there. And if I forgot to tell you, these square pans are, well, inside diameter is 11 1/8 on them, and the round pan up here is 10 1/2. So now you know exactly what size they are. But now if you notice, this copper shelf square pan here, it holds 6 pieces of bacon all the way across. I didn't have to cut the bacon or any of that stuff. I've got some of these Walmart hash browns here, and I've got my oil heating up over here. Now I put just a little bit of oil in the bottom of this because, you know, if you just try to cook it dry, you're going to have some scorched bottoms on your potatoes. So if you want them to be golden brown, you know, you got to put a little bit of oil in it. So that looks close. Then we'll put some of these Pig Sweet chopped onions in the hash browns here. You know, put them in there for your taste, you know. We like onions quite a bit, so I put quite a bit in there. And some of you, I'm sure, are saying, that's not a whole lot, that's just a little bit. And so now I just spread everything out and sort of mix it up a little bit, and it'll mix up as you're cooking it. Okay, now this bacon's been cooking for a few minutes, and I like to flip it over when it gets about like this. Try to stick together. Take the tongs and spread it apart. Now I just like to flip it, rotate it a little bit as I flip it over because, you know, I'm not sure what they say, the middle is a little bit hotter than the sides, so I just take the front one here and put it in the back, you know, and then the second one put it in the middle. And same thing to this one. And I do the same thing to these 3 over here. Now these hash browns is warming up a little bit. Flip them over, stir them around. Now this is starting to come together pretty good, isn't it? bacon's looking pretty good over here. I'm actually going to turn it one more time real quick. Now I've got the potatoes and the bacon on, that was on 6 and that was on, both of them was on 6 on the big eye. So that's about it for that. Okay, now we got a pot holder here to set my bacon on. Okay, then I put me a couple paper towels in this little plate like this. Just lay them down in there. Just like that, but then you really need your little grease pot or something like this right here to put this grease in, because you really don't want that going down the sink if you can keep from it. You just pick it up and pour it in there like that. I want y'all to look and see how clean that pan is now. I don't think you'll have to do much more than wipe it out. Of course, Kay always washes it, one of us does, but anyway, that's all it is for that. And now, back over to the taters. Okay, now we'll put Kay's eggs in the pan here. And I've got about an 85 to 90% chance of flipping them without breaking them, but we'll see how it goes while we're on YouTube. Let me stir these taters up a little bit. Oh yeah. So all you people is complaining about these copper chef pans, maybe you're scrubbing them with SOS pads or steel wool or something. I don't know, but like I say now, I've had mine for this long and I've just not had any trouble with them. As you can see that egg? Oh, by the way, I'm cooking these eggs on the small eye here, the small burner it says, and I've got it on 6. And when I plant it just right, her toast pops up about the same time getting ready to flip these over. And these are just about getting ready to be flipped over, so let's see if you can hear her toast pop up any second. Any second. And there it went. So now we'll flip this egg over. Here we go. Now it looks like everything's intact. Hey, that's another percentage point. Your bread's ready. Okay, so now Kay's egg is about done here. So, now you see that? What are y'all doing? Scrubbing these things out with steel wool or clean them with a chisel? So, okay, now here's Kay's plate. She's got her some potatoes there and 3 pieces of bacon, 2 eggs, and some toast with butter and jelly on it. So, Now I'm fixing to do mine. Mine's not quite like that, but hers is pretty good, I got to admit. I didn't say this is real good for you, I just said it was good. Okay, now mine's just a little bit different than what hers is, not much. Both way fattening than what we should be eating. Little pepper on it. I like salt and pepper mine while it's cooking. She likes salt and pepper her stuff after it's finished. And on the plate, I see my eggs will be a little bit more challenging to turn than hers was because they're not done yet. Because they're not as close. Turn mine up just a little bit so they can get finished here. Clean the little mess up we got on the counter. I hope you enjoyed watching this little fun video as much as we enjoyed making it for you. It was just a thing, I saw a comment on one of my videos the other day where somebody was saying that they didn't like the copper shelf pans. I was trying to figure out why, because I use these just about every day, one of them anyway, you know, and most of the time, well, when we eat this for breakfast, I use all three of them. Well, so far, so good. Now, it just so happens I got a little piece of cheese here. This American cheese, sometimes I put Swiss on it, and other kinds, whichever kind I got around. A lot of times I go to Publix, and whichever cheese of the week is, I'll get a half pound of that, and that's what I use on my eggs. Okay, so that's about it for this little video. Hope you enjoyed watching as much as we enjoyed making it for you. And I hope you'll come back and see us real soon and give us a thumbs up and join our channel if you can. And so, until next time, y'all have a real good and safe day. And goodbye now.